going abroad, it can be done right here. Less noisy future. Today we are very happy to announce and state that we have successfully performed a surgery to help our patient who's sitting next to me. This surgery is something which is quite uncommonly done. Less than 50 such cases have been published in the world literature. And none of these cases have been from India. So we can very proudly say that we are perhaps the first hospital or department to perform this surgery for a patient with tinnitus in India. And that is really, I think, a great thing. It's not only that, it's also to tell patients who are suffering from this problem that there is a possibility of cure by this surgery when all other types of treatment fail. Now, you just heard that tinnitus is a sound in the ear. That is what is tinnitus. The causes of tinnitus are many. It can be in the ear itself, or it can be because of a problem near the brain, something which causes a sound and stimulates the hearing organ. That is the cause of tinnitus. Generally speaking, tinnitus commonly is because of problems in the inner ear or the cochlea, which is the hearing organ. This cochlea then connects to the brain through a nerve called the cochlear nerve. Now, when Mr. Venkatraman, a young man who was in the United States, when this all started 2.5 years ago, he visited, like people should, he visited his general practitioners, then he visited his ENT doctors, and they all gave the treatment which is generally given for the tinnitus. But unfortunately, his tinnitus did not go away. In fact, it started troubling him more and more and more. Imagine having a sound in your ear all the time. It's all right when you are in a crowded place, when you're talking to somebody doing some work, but when you are all alone, எல்லா ஃபேன் லைட் எல்லாத்தையும் ஆஃப் பண்ணிட்டு படுக்கணும் தூங்கணும்னா சவுண்ட் சத்தம் வந்துட்டே இருந்ததுன்னா காதுல தூக்கம் வராது. If you have to study, you have to concentrate, and there is a sound which is there, which is troubling you, you cannot concentrate. And that is what happened to this young man. So he was in the United States, he sought treatment there, then he came back home to Chennai. His parents took him to different ENT doctors who looked at the problem in many ways, but still he continued to have the problem.
So everyone is very, very friendly and very helpful. So yeah, and post surgery, so it's been, like I said, so 1 month after surgery now, and recovery is going very well. So I'm able to do all the things I like and do read books and play chess and all that, all those things without hearing that sound, and and by just having focus on a single thing that I do. So that is that has been really great, very, very big improvement already, and seriously very happy I underwent this surgery.
Conference being held at MGM Healthcare to discuss a one-of-its-kind surgery to have been done in India. I welcome each one of you to this press conference, and it gives me great pleasure in acknowledging and congratulating the neurosurgical team for having performed this novel procedure. At MGM Healthcare, our commitment is more than something we continuously strive for. It's reflected in everything we do. It's a part of who we are, and it's with this dedication to our patients that is reflected in the best clinical outcome and quality care. The Institute of Neurosciences is headed and supported by a team of clinicians by Dr. Sridhar, Institute of Neurosciences and Spinal Disorders, So it offers a comprehensive care in all aspects of neuro and spine problems. The USP of the institute is integrated neurocare, where specialists from different departments come together on a common platform to ensure the best possible clinical outcome for the patient. It's a very happy moment for us to share with you the journey of this patient, and I give it on to Dr. Sridhar.
I would like to thank Dr. Sridhar, Director and Group Head, Institute of Neurosciences and Spinal Disorders, for beautifully explaining how the microvascular decompression surgery has brought smiles and relief on patient Mr. Venkat. I think his resolution of the procedure clearly explained to us the complexity that was involved and the kind of relief that has brought in the patient's eyes. I would like to thank friends from the media, those who have come physically